Managing rental property can be overwhelming. Tracking tenant, handling payment, and keeping record can quickly become a stress. But what if you had a simple all-in-one solution? Welcome to the Rent Management System, a powerful tool designed for landlords and property managers to efficiently manage their rentals. Let's explore how easy is it to use. So, so whenever we need to create a rental, we need three things. The first is property, asset. Second is tenant. And third, we need to create a lease between asset and tenant. Rental management system RMS is really easy to use. So first I will click on the icon asset. So asset is representing a property. I'm clicking here on asset. So I have already a list of asset which already I have added. Now adding a new property, a new asset is really easy. You just need to click on the button add asset. Let's click on the add asset button. Now we have the screen to add an asset. The first step that we'll be taking, we will fill up all these required parameters, all these information. So type, we can choose like what kind of property it is. It is a flat, house, condos, townhouse, bungalow, SOP or other. Next, we will give a unique name to identify this property. Let's assume this property is in New York in USA, and then let's give it a name. So I can uniquely identify NYC, and it's a condo. So I can say NYC condo 101. 101. Okay, next you just put an address, choose a country. So we are choosing for United States. Here we have selected it, then state New York City. Here we are selecting the city. Now just give an address. I'm just giving a random address, 5th Avenue 101. And let's give a code, zip code. So now we have added an address, and by ejective means that this flag should be yes if we want to make sure that our asset is ready, our property is ready for is vacant and it's ready for to create a rental. Second, next we can put some additional detail if you want to put in the description section. Then we have status we keep it available. Then rental, what kind of rental you are expecting, whether you are giving it a daily basis, weekly, quarterly, annually. So daily is useful when you are using a property for Airbnb. Generally, most of our customers use it for monthly basis. It's a long-term tenancy, that's why they use it monthly basis. But some business users can use it quarterly or annually basis as well. Now, the next thing we will be putting a default rent. So default rent does not mean the actual rent. So this is, we are just putting a default value that what we are expecting from the property. It could be different. We will set the value when we will be creating the actual lease between a tenant and property asset. Next, you can upload some picture of the property so that it will be visible to you. You can upload a couple of pictures, and if you won't upload any of the picture, it will take a default image. So let's save this tenant. Let's save this asset. So this is NYC condo 101. I'm just saving it. I just click on save, and now I just click OK. Look for NYC 101. So it will be added here, and it took a default picture for the condo. So here it is. So this is the view screen. Here we are, NYC condo 101, default rent 5,000, frequency, status, expenses. We haven't put any expenses as of now. It will occur later when we will be creating a leads. Next, address and description, we haven't put anything. So it's really easy. See, it's quite easy to add an asset. So we have added an asset. On this asset screen, there are a couple of more additional high features. Let's suppose if you have number of property in the same building and you don't want to add them again and again, because address will remain same for all of them, only the unit are changing from 101 to 102 to 103. Then there is a very easy way that we have provided. You can clone the property. So we have a clone feature here. So if I will click on clone for NYC condo 101, let me click here. Let's me click. So here it will ask, do we need to clone the media? By media, it means to say, do you want to clone the pictures as well that you have uploaded? So if I will say yes, it will copy that as well. But as of now, we haven't uploaded any pictures, so we are not selecting it. I'm just cloning it. So now you can see NYC condo 101 copy has been cloned, and now it's quite easy for me. Rather than adding all the detail, I can just go here and just rename it 102. See, it's really easy. So this is a new property we have added, and then in address as well, definitely we need to go and we need to update. Although we don't need to update everything, but a couple of fields we need to update here. So now we have basically updated it. If you go back, then we have two property now, NYC condo 101, 102. If you will see in the right top corner, you can see the number of property, the count in the circle 7. So that is representing how many property do you have right now. Apart from that, we have a search filter where you can look for a property. So if I just say 101, so I can see these properties are matching with 101. If then we have filter of option all available under service sold out. So there are a number of parameters based on then basically we can look, and these are here with us. So next thing we will be, now we have already successful added two asset. The next thing we will learn how to add a tenant. Thank you.